Can you identify this figure right now on your screen? Yes, you got it right. It is called as ECG, electrocardiogram. And the different waves that you see, the P wave, the QRS and the T wave, they have some significance. So in today's video, we will learn about the significance of all these waves. Welcome to day 6 of 50 days NEET challenge. So let's see. In electrocardiogram, you will see that there is a P wave, there is QRS wave and there is T wave. Now, what does P wave represent? It represents depolarization of atria. That is the auricles, the upper chambers of the heart. Depolarization means what? The contraction. When they receive the impulse, they become depolarized and they contract and they pump the blood into the ventricles. So the P wave is representing depolarization of atria. Similarly, when you get the QRS wave, it means that the ventricles have started to contract. That is depolarization of ventricles. Okay, so the blood which reached into the ventricles will contract and they will pump the blood into the pulmonary artery and aorta respectively. Now after this, the ventricles start relaxing and we get another wave which is called as the T wave, which represents the repolarization of ventricles. So this ECG diagram is very important for your NEET preparation. I hope you learned something in today's video.